Hello, today we would see how to make a return from a POS terminal. It may happen that a customer might want to return certain items after purchase. To facilitate that, we have the return function. There are two ways to make a return. First, ad hoc return. Second, return against a bill. First, we would see the ad hoc return. Ad hoc returns are made when the customer cannot provide any bill details. To make an ad hoc return, scan the barcode or insert it in the barcode display area. In the item display area, we see the item. Out here, you would notice there is a return toggle button. Clicking on the toggle button marks the item for return. The same thing can be done by clicking on Task and turning on the return mode. Remember, any barcode inserted after the return mode is turned on is automatically marked for return. Please notice that when the return mode is on, the sale or return toggle button is automatically disabled in the item display area. The next step would be adjusting the amount, which we would see later on. Now, let's see how to make a return against a bill. To do so, you can either click on the return button or hit the F7 key. A list comes up in which we choose the search bill option or hit the Ctrl+2 keys. Now the search bills window opens. You can search a bill in 4 ways. That is, giving the date range within which the bill was made, the name of the registered customer who purchased the item, the bill number, or the item's barcode. At least one of these fields have to be provided in order to make a return against a bill. We will show you the rest of the process using the date range. We select the date range and click the search button. This displays a list of bills within that date range. In case you need to change the search criteria, please click on the Change Search Criteria button. Now choose the relevant bill. Move the slider to the right and find the customer to tag. Then we click on the Customer button and tag the customer. Now click Return. The software allows you to choose whether you want to return all the items in the bill or just the selected ones. We are only returning some selected items from the bill. Now we see the list of items in the bill. Select the item that needs to be returned. Note that any comments attached to the particular item is displayed in the item comment box below. Now click Return Item. Insert the quantity and click OK. Now we would click on the Payment button to make the adjustments. Please note that this process for adjustments apply to both ad hoc return and return against bills. In the payment window, there are 2 ways we could adjust the payments. First, give refund and save. This is when you return the customer's money and save the changes in the bill. Second, issue credit note and save. A credit note is a note that allows a customer to draw a credit of that particular amount on you and then save the changes in the bill. If there is any promotion applied, they may be cleared manually by clicking the Promotions button, which is again user role specific. We then click the Issue Credit Note and save. So we have seen how returns can be made in the Genesis POS software. Thank you.